Well, I am very well aware that I did not post a video last week Wednesday and last week Friday. And let me tell you why. It's because I had the stomach flu. And you know what's really sucky about having the stomach flu is the fact that you don't know whether to sit on the toilet or to face it. That was my life over 4 days. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. So today I want to do a quick tutorial on how to put your hair up using a pen or a chopstick or whatever. So I want to thank this subscriber who has been on my case for a while to do this tutorial. So thank you very much. You know who you are, and this video is for you. So before I turn around and do the demo, I do want to let you know that I do have a lot of layers in my hair, so there will be hair that will fall out in the front. If you don't like that, but your hair does fall out when you do this method of how to put your hair up, you would have to bobby pin it. If you like it because it frames your face, well then just leave it. So you have a ponytail, you're gonna put your hair in a ponytail, you're gonna twist it at the base just once, then you're gonna wrap the ponytail as tight as you can, keeping the base tight. And when you get to the end of the ponytail, you point your pen up, then you turn it, and this is really important that you can feel the pen on your scalp. Like you pretty much have to scrape your scalp. As you push the pen through, my hair is fairly thick, and I might be writing on my own neck because I know I activated that pointy thing to come out, and there you have it. That is how you do it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jenny with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click right here. Or if you want to catch me in my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.